Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how you can buy TikTok coins right on your phone. You can buy TikTok coins using just your Android phone. So right here all you need is your Google Play Store and you need your TikTok app. We'll be working with these two, okay? So first I have to go to my Play Store. Alright, so as I time filming this video, I just made it this morning. So on your Play Store you see this arrow here, and it's going to carry your profile picture. That is if you have actually uploaded your profile picture. Then you click on it, you click on your profile picture, then you click on payment and subscriptions. Okay, so after you've clicked on that, you click on payment method. All right, so it's loading. So here I've actually inputted my MasterCard. Okay, this is my Naira MasterCard. You can use any card of your choice, but right now I'm using my Naira card, MasterCard. So all you have to do, if you don't have your MasterCard on your Play Store, all you have to do is just to add your credit, then you follow the instructions. Okay, for security purpose this might not show, it might not show on the screen, but this is how you go about it. So after you have done that, all right, you head on to your TikTok. So guys, if you are not following me on TikTok, please do what to do. Not this song, I beg. So I'll go to my profile. I think this account is not even up to a month old, and see the amount of followers I have. Guys should please follow me on TikTok. So right here on my TikTok page, all I have to do is to click on these three arrows. Alright, then you click on settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, you click on balance. Alright, so after you've clicked on your balance, it's going to load. Oh, my network is far from me. Hold on, so sorry for that. My connection was very far from me. I have to bring it close. So this is what my balance is looking like. All right, so for you to buy coin, all you have to do is to get coin. You click on that get coin, then after you click on the get coin, it's going to load as well. Then you clicked on recharge. I'm going to be buying 5 coin. 5 coin is for 120, so it's going to take me to my Google Play Store. Like this is a MasterCard I have on my Google Play Store. So the quantity depends on how many you're buying. So you can plus it, you can minus it from here. So after you have done that, oh shit, sorry for that. So after you have done that, you tap to buy, and after you tap to buy, I'm coming, let me minus 1 because and please note that you must have money on your card though. You can't come here. So it's going to ask you to verify the purchase. Okay, just to know that it's not somebody else that is using your card. So you are going to input your Gmail password. Yes, you're going to input your Gmail password. Please note, not your TikTok password though, your Gmail password. You know, your Google Play Store has to do with Gmail, so you input your Gmail password. After you input your Gmail password, all right, you click on OK, and it's automatically going to buy. All right, let me see if I can do that here. Let me use passcode. I don't think it's going to show on the screen, but anyway, let me just try it. Hey God, I wanted to see my password out. So it's processing right now. I don't know if you guys is until I stop this recording before I know if it's recording or not. So my payment was successful. So I've successfully bought another 5 coin. So now I'm just going to go back, then I'll I will refresh my page, then I have 10 coins. All right, so now many people don't know the importance of you recharging your balance. First, and the first important is that you can gift with your coins. Yes, if you have coins in your wallet, you can actually gift on live, on people's life, and also you can use these coins to run at on your page, on your Google, on your TikTok page. All right, so my next video now, I'm going to make a video on how you can run TikTok ads. All right, and also I'll be making a video on how you can actually use how you can recharge your TikTok coin on iPhone. All you have to do is just to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe so you get to know how you can do it on iPhone as well, because right now I'm using my Android phone. So to get more updates about my next coming video, all you have to do is just to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe and let me know if you're interested in getting in me making a video on how you can use your iPhone to buy TikTok coin. Okay, just comment I am interested in the comment section, and I'm going to make a video for you straight away, like very fast. I'm going to make a video very fast. So guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. Comment I'm interested if you're interested in me dropping or a video on how you can recharge your wallet on iPhone. So bye for now. Thank you so much for watching.